Hey guys, welcome to our channel Knowledge Life. Today in this video, we are going to design this simple cold drinks bottle cap. You can see here in your screen, this is the model that we are going to design in this video. So let's open a part first. Click on the new, click on the part and go for OK. You can see here the unit is millimeter gram second. So let it be. I will choose here top plane and go for the sketch. I will draw here two circles. Now I need to give the dimension here. I'll be giving the dimension for the outer one. I'll be giving diameter 30 and the inner one I'll be giving here 27. And I will convert this into construction geometry. Now I will go for the center point arc and I will start from this point. I will make an arc which is like this. I'll be okay, let me give the relation this and this. I'll be giving like horizontal. I'll be giving the relation this and inner circle having the relation tangent. Now I'll go for the dimension here. I'll be giving this dimension from here to here. I'll be giving this dimension 5.24. I'll do here one thing. I'll just click on this and this. I'll be giving the relation coincident. Go with the OK. And this I'll be giving the relation coincident. Now you can see here our arc is getting fully defined. Right now I will go for the pattern. So click on the circular pattern and choose this as center point. And here the entities to pattern. I want to go for pattern with this arc. And I'll be giving here number of instances which is 18. Just go with this OK. Now you can see here your sketch is not getting fully defined. So I'll just do here one thing. Click on this point and this point, give the relation here coincident. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined. So come out from the sketch. Now I'll go for the extruded boss base and choose the sketch from the drop down menu and I'll use here selection contour. I'll go for extrude with the inner part. And I'll be giving here extrude thickness which is 1 mm. Now just go with the OK. Now I will go for the plane. I'll just click on the reference geometry and I'll create a plane from this face to flip the directions and I'll go with the OK. Now I will make a sketch in this plane. Go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane and just draw a circle randomly. I'll just give here relation this arc and this circle having the relation tangent. Now go with this OK. Right now you can see here the sketch is getting fully defined. Now exit from the sketcher. If you want you can hide the plane also. Now I will go for the command called lofted boss base. So click on the lofted boss base and create a loft operations between this and this surface. Just go with the OK. Now you can see here your model is looking like this. Click on the fillet and just select this edge. Give the fillet radius 3 mm. Just go with the OK. Now I will go for the shell command and click on the shell and go for this shell and give the shell thickness here which is 0.6 I will be giving here and you can see here the preview and just go with this OK. Now you can see here your model is looking like this. You can change the view mode here. Now you see here your model is looking like this. Now I'll go for the appearance, click on this and I'll go to the advanced and I'll go for browse and I'll go to the metal and go to the steel. I will choose this one and go for OK. I'll apply this. If you want to make it more realistic, you can go for the decals also. So I'll go for the decals. You can see here, I'll just click on the decal here. Now you can right click over here, click on the add decals and you can browse it from your desktop. So here already I have downloaded some pictures that I will use for decals here. So go to the desktop, I kept in the desktop. Now I will choose from here this one. And here I will select this face and you can adjust it here and you can place it. I'll adjust this here. And you can just go with this OK. Now you can see here your model is getting ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed these tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get such type of more videos on SolidWorks and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.